YouTubers, this is Jethro, just coming on to give a little update on my Ron Stewart appreciation build. I'm doing the Boomer bucket, T-bucket model. This dude right here is what I'm working on. So I got some paint work done, got the body and all done up in a bright green, Challenger green I believe it's called. And we got the interior done. I did that in an ivory. Got some clear stuff there. All my black parts are painted up. So it's coming around. I've got a good bit of work done on it, considering I got just the evenings to do it. So that's about it. Just got the body's looking pretty good. Got a nice little shine to that. Hopefully it'll all go together fairly well, and I just wanted to do a quick little update on there and keep y'all posted on it. Hope everybody's doing well, and we will talk to you soon.